Welcome to the Dollar Care nonprofit organization. I'm Dr. Bengala. I've been in healthcare for over 45 years. First of all, I want to congratulate our 47th president, Donald Trump. And also want to congratulate Elon Musk. He has been a pioneer. He was a Democrat. And RFK Jr., Vivek Ramaswamy, these guys are loyal to all Americans. I would like to see them leading the way. Now we have a majority in Congress, majority in the Senate. Time has come to kick all insurers, providers, billing companies out in the backseat. In the backseat. Consumers will be placed, all Americans will be in the driver's seat, and the government has to be subservient to the people, not the other way around, folks. This government is bureaucratic. Obamacare has been the worst thing that happened to this country. As a matter of fact, the cost of the care has gone up. We are spending $3.8 trillion for healthcare, which has surpassed the national defense budget, folks. Yes, it has surpassed the national defense. It's shameful. We have to come to this point. I strongly believe Donald Trump will change the healthcare of this country for good, especially with the majority in Congress. We need to put Americans in the driver's seat of healthcare. All Americans have to be in the driver's seat, have to have deductible health plans, lower their premiums, put the money into the health savings accounts. That's the best thing ever happened to health saving. It's right now, it's $1 to $3 trillion, folks. I'm not kidding. In another 10 years, that'll be $30 to $40 trillion. Americans can take care of themselves. We don't need the government. We need to deregulate the government industry. Deregulate what we did to the airlines in 1980s. Deregulate the healthcare. The premiums will go down like crazy. Almost 60 to 70% healthcare premiums will go down. And Department of HSS is for the birds. They need to eradicate. They need to remove, basically shut down Department of HSS. They're not doing anything. They're just passing more laws and more regulations. And the CPT and DRG codes is for the birds. Billing companies are making tons of money with CPT. Do we really need deep? Let consumers decide how much they can afford to pay. Why do we need codes, billing codes? Get rid of these billing companies, man. Billing companies are a disaster. Folks, if you like what I'm saying, I think have the Health Review Authority take over the healthcare under the public-private partnership. Dollar Care would like to collaborate with Elon Musk. Elon, if you're listening, Elon Care is a Dollar Care organization. I would like to collaborate with you under the public-private partnership. I want to see healthcare hubs all over, warehouses all over the country, continuum of care facilities all over the country, warehouses with continuum of care facilities like independent living, like a hotel, assisted living for recuperation, skilled nursing for recovery with a skilled nursing care, and Elon, robotic center, urgent care with a robotic center, robots checking your blood pressure, checking your vitals, doing blood draws, doing everything by a robot. And robot will guide you when to see a doctor. You don't just go and see a doctor. They will screen you. Robots, AI will help to facilitate, to save money to all Americans. Yes. Elon, I need your help, man. I want to come and see. I have no problem coming to Texas, Austin, Texas, or when in Los Angeles, Hawthorne. Please call me. When you go to the dollarcare.org, you have my contact information, and send me an email. I'd love to come and see you. I've reached to a stage, I don't give a damn about anybody. Anybody. I just need you, man. And Donald Trump. He's my favorite. He reminds me of Ronald Reagan. He is going to be popular than Ronald Reagan. I can tell you it's coming. When I'm 100 years old, I will see a Donald Trump will be an idol. Like what we see right now, Ronald Reagan is an idol. You can never forget him. In history books, I believe Donald Trump is going to do that, bringing affordability, competition, transparency, reform the healthcare, shut down the Department of HHS for God's sake. We don't need it. And serve the Americans under a health review authority. Give the care to the people who need the most, disabled, handicapped, homeless. Give them a free care. Get rid of this Medicaid. This is just for the bird. You don't need, you give them the best care with a private card. It is like a private insurance for ordinary people. Handicapped, disabled, blind, chronically ill, who deserve the most, who needs assistance. They need the help. Let's do it, folks. If you like what I'm saying, follow me, folks. I'll love to see you follow me. Make some comments and thumbs up button, subscribe, share, and please subscribe. I'm trying my best. So goodbye. Salute.